at the Grand Hotel in Oslo. I'm still shivering because it's freezing outside. Interesting floor labeling here. 4 or 5 is its own combined floor. All right, looks like there's an 8th floor. What the heck? Look at all this. There's all sorts of stuff to clean your shoes with, I guess. Kind of curious if there's another elevator up to 8. You know what? I'll look for it later. I'm gonna film these right now. That's on 4-5. I wonder if there's service cars. Not sure. Nice cabs. Apparently these used to be Fortuna elevators, and that would have been way cooler to check out.
Floor 1.
Up to 7? Oh look, you can see here. Well, we'll watch it go and then we'll take a look at the information once we get to the top. (4-5) is interesting. I'm gonna go there.
Door opening.
Oh, you can't. The rest of it's locked. Anyway, all right then. Before we end the video.
Closing.
Oh, these are from 2015. And 1,000 kilograms.
Door opening.
Anyway, very nice elevators. Custom Schindlers are nice, but obviously some old vintage elevators would be nicer.
Door closing.
Anyway, that's it.